Do you ever feel invisible at your job? You work hard, but nobody seems to notice? Today, we will change that. We will talk about something called personal branding. It sounds complex, but it is simple. It is about showing people who you are. It is about showing them your value. I will share 4 secrets to help you do this. These secrets can increase your value at work. And please watch until the end. At the end of this video, I will share the most important secret of all. It is a very simple action. This action makes people like you and trust you. It is the key that makes everything else work. Are you ready? Let's begin. Secret 1. Know yourself truly. First, you must know yourself. This sounds easy. Many people think, I know myself. But do you really? Knowing yourself is more than your name or your job. It is about understanding your character. It is about knowing your strengths and your weaknesses. Think about a mirror. You look in the mirror every day. You see your own face. But what happens when a friend takes your picture? Sometimes you look different. Your friend sees you from another side. To build your brand, you need to see this other side. You need to see yourself how others see you. This is called self-objectification. It means seeing yourself from the outside. It can be difficult, so here is a simple task for you. Ask a close friend or a coworker you trust. Ask them 3 simple questions. 1. What am I good at? 2. What is one thing I can do better? 3. What one word describes me? Their answers might surprise you. Their answers are a gift. This is the first step to building your powerful brand. Knowing yourself is the foundation. But a foundation is not a house. So what is the next step? Secret 2. Set a clear direction. The second secret is to set a clear goal. Imagine a ship in the ocean. The ship has no map. The ship has no destination. It just floats. It goes nowhere. A person without a goal is like that ship. You need to know where you want to go. This is your direction. Your goal should be specific. I want to be successful is not a specific goal. It is a wish. A specific goal is different. For example, I want to be the best problem solver on my team. Or, I want to be the person everyone asks for creative ideas. Think about how you want others to see you. Do you want to be seen as reliable? Do you want to be seen as creative? Do you want to be seen as a leader? Choose one thing. This is your North Star. It guides all your actions. When you have a goal, your choices become easier. You know what to do. You know what to say. You have a direction. You now know yourself and you have a direction. Now, how do you start moving? This brings us to our third secret. Secret 3. Build on your strengths. The third secret is to focus on your strengths. Many people give this advice: fix your weaknesses. This advice is not always good. Trying to fix all your weaknesses is tiring. It can make you feel bad about yourself, and it makes you average, like everyone else. Your brand is not about being average. Your brand is about being special. Your strengths make you special. Think about a famous singer. She has a beautiful voice. She practices singing every day. She does not spend all her time learning to dance if she is a bad dancer. She focuses on her strength, her voice. You should do the same. Look at the answers from your friend. What are you good at? Maybe you are very organized. Maybe you are a great listener. Maybe you write very clear emails. These are your strengths. Do more of that. If you are organized, offer to help organize a project. If you are a great listener, listen carefully in meetings. Become known for your strengths. Your strengths are your superpower. Use them every day. This is how you build a strong, positive brand. People will remember you for what you do well. So, you are using your strengths, but how do you make sure others see it? Secret 4. Share your value generously. The fourth secret is to share your value. A great product in a closed box helps no one. Your brand is the same. You have to show it to people. You can do this in small ways every day. You do not need to shout, "Look at me." Instead, be helpful. Did you read an interesting article? Share it with your team. Say, "I thought this might be useful for our project." Did you find a faster way to do a task? Show your colleague. Say, "Let me show you a trick I learned." You can use social media like a blog or LinkedIn. Write about what you know. Share your ideas. Or you can just help the person sitting next to you. Every time you share something useful, you build your brand. You are not just showing off. You are showing that you are valuable. You are showing that you care about your team's success. This makes people appreciate you. They will see you as a source of good things. Your value at work will grow naturally. The final, most important secret. We have talked about 4 secrets. 1. Know yourself. 2. Set a clear direction. 3. Build on your strengths. 4. Share your value. These are all very powerful, but I promised you one final secret, the most important secret of all, the one that multiplies the power of all the others. The secret is this: be consistent. That's it. Be consistent. Being good once is an accident. Being good every day is a character. That is a brand. If you are helpful one time, people will forget. If you are helpful every day, people will say, "She is a helpful person." If you are organized for one project, it's nice. If you are organized for every project, people will say, "He is our organization expert." Consistency builds trust. Trust is the foundation of any strong brand. It makes people believe in you. It makes people like you. It makes people want to work with you. Your personal brand is not built in one day. It is built with small, consistent actions every day. Know yourself, set your goal, use your strengths, and share your value consistently. This is how you become visible. This is how you become valuable. This is how you 100x your value at work. Thank you for watching.